Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is an inference-based question, and what is it asking you to infer? It can be inferred from the passage that European explorers like Columbus and Megellan. So it's got something to do with Columbus and Megellan. What is he asking us to infer? Statement number 1, set the precedent for north-up maps. They did not set the precedent for north-up maps. Remember, we had the Chinese maps as well. So these guys were not the ones who were the first ones to have north-up maps. Rejected. Navigated by the compass. Did they really navigate by the compass, right? If you go back to the passage very clearly states that they were also actually going by the North Star, not by the compass. Factually incorrect, right? Now, they used an eastward orientation for religious reason. Now, if you look closely at the passage and what it states, the passage states these are two extracts from the passage. When Columbus describes the world, it is in accordance with east being at the top. Columbus says he's going towards paradise, so his mentality is from a medieval mappa mundi. So what is his mentality? Where is it being derived from? Medieval mappa mundi. The way maps were in the way the Christian maps were in the medieval era, he was deriving his mentality from that. What were these? These are previously mentioned in the passage. Christian maps from the same era called Mappa Mundi put east at the top towards the Garden of Eden and with Jerusalem at the center. So there was these Christian maps, they had a religious basis. They were placing Jerusalem at the center. They were showcasing east at the top. They were towards the Garden of Eden, towards with Jerusalem at the center, hence looking eastwards, right? So the reason for Christian maps being so was religious in region. Columbus's reason was the medieval mappa mundi. So if you join these two, if you connect these two, mappa mundi is your connector between these two statements. Hence Columbus also was at the end of the day following the Christian maps. Hence he was using an eastward orientation for religious reasons. Hence option number C is the correct answer in this case. It's a good question which asks you to make connection between two statements. Navigated with the help of early maps. This is incorrect. He went by the North Star, right? Hence this is incorrect in nature. You derive the answer in this case by connecting these two extracts. So there is a skill that you learn in this question. Inferences can be drawn by connecting different statements in the passage, right? So that is what you learn in this particular question. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.